What's going on, Nitro gang? I'm out here with the Savage XL. You are all familiar with this. This is the one with the 3-speed baby, and especially the one with the piston for the extra protection in the front in case any armors try to show up, because they've done it to me before. Anyway, let me give you guys a little catch up on the goal of today's video. You see where I'm standing? If I point right over there, there's a nice long flat runway. Now planes do not take off on this runway. Nitros are about to hit the runway. Before we go for another personal best record, let me be a little bit serious with you guys. In the last video, I hit 48 miles per hour with the stock Savage K5.9. Not only did I beat the manufacturer's claimed top speed of 45, but I beat my own personal best of 46. And people said, hey man, you know what? That's not too bad, but like I was looking around in the last video, Hybrid, and there was a little bit of a hill. So to appease the people that think hills add RPM when you've already hit the 3rd speed, and guys, that was a good comment because you were observant. So don't think I'm calling you out because you put out the fact that there was a hill. Yes, there was a hill, and I am proud of you for making me redo this video. So let me say special thank you to you out there, the first person whose comment I read about it, Michael Graham. This video is for you and everyone else out there. Now, just to be sure, we all agree I gotta beat 48. Will I do it? I sure hope so. And nobody will be able to say Hybrid was by a hill. Take a look at this area. It's not the smoothest, it's a little bit bumpy. There's, you know, curbs left and right, but we have ourselves a giant parking lot. And we also got a Savage XL. So let's fire it up and go for a new speed record. Let's get ready for another pass. I have my Sky RC GNSS ready. Track, start. When we come back, we'll press the read. We'll see how it goes. Fire in the hole. Just a little warm up. We always want to run it. Speed passes on a warm engine. It's got the power. Great brake. Our park stops over there. Hopefully they like the smell of nitro. 2, 3, speed baby! 3! All the way, all the way.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
All right, we hit the 3. Let's come back. 1, 2, 3. Oh, flip job over there. Oh, the brakes just couldn't handle the power. All right, it looks good. Looks good. Still running the brakes. For us guys, a cartwheel. What I need to do is another proper speed pass. You know what? Let's read it. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I wonder what we got. I'm gonna go back to the Sky RC. Let's check. All right. All right. Wish me luck. Stop. Read. 48 again. Well, at least we got 48. Let me go somewhere where it's not noisy. 48 again. We need to hit 50. Let's go back. We'll start again. Start. Attempt number 2, guys. Attempt number 2.
I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Let me do a quick warm up. Oh yeah. Wheelie, did you see that wheelie? That was power. I'm not really setting it up for wheelies. All right, I'm gonna go over there by the Parks Police and we're gonna do a run. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, speed, baby. All right, let's just not flip it at the end. It's gonna be embarrassing. Let's come back. 2, 3, speed. Great, this thing is sickening. Oh no, not again. Well, at least it looks great. The question is, what speed did I get? Stop. Read. Damn it. 48 again. Let me go over here. Got 48 again. Well, I'm gonna have to keep going. Let's take a look at what speed looks like on board. Fire in the hole. Shut it down, guys. Had to use my shoe again. You know, when you're running rich and loud, you're also running a little on the warm side. Oh, that was only 247 degrees. I'm looking at my Venom speed meter right here. 247. This thing is tuned great.
I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Warm it up again. All right, gotta keep it steady, gotta keep it steady. Gonna do a pass again. All right, 1, 2, 3, speed, baby! Yeah! Look at that idle. That idle's impressive. All right, guys, I'm gonna check it. Lean bog. And flip. All right, we're gonna hit it again. Richmond did about 1/8 of a turn. All right, definitely no lean bog. And definitely no flips. Oh yeah, 49 miles an hour. And yes, you can hear the savage idling outside. Lean, it was too mean. 49, new personal record. Final summary. 49 miles an hour, no hills, all stock Nitro motor. That's all it took, guys. We don't need engine swaps. When you're the tune master and you tune almost up to where it lean bogs and you back it off about 1/5 of a turn, that is the sweet spot. That is where you're gonna get your RPM. Now, what about the damage? Well, the Savage is fine, but my body clips, they just did not survive. I gotta use pliers to take them off. Okay, we got one. Body clips couldn't take it. The Savage. Let's hope the shock tower takes it. Still not taking it. Gotta bend this one out. I've totally disfigured the body clip. It's all right, it did its job. It gave us 49. Unbelievable. Let's take a look with the body clip finally removed. That took me like 5 minutes actually. All right, nothing went wrong. Sky RC GNSS, super reliable. I'm telling you guys, pick one up. I will put a link to this in the description to this video. Gear mesh, it's perfect. Engine, well, we took a couple hits over there on the head. But this is a runner. This is not one that sits on the shelf. This is one that sets the records, not only to beat the manufacturer, but also to beat ourselves. Well, guys, thank you all for watching. If you want to see me go for a 50, I think I can make that happen. It's just gonna take a little while of playing around with the sweet spot on the high-speed needle, but 1 mile an hour, I think the Nitro gang can make that happen. Give this video a like if you appreciated the adventure. Please consider becoming a channel member, and maybe I will get a brand new Savage XL and hit the same exact competition. Savage versus hybrid. 180 total. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 reps. It's okay for muscle growth. For cardio, for endurance, you want to be in the 10 to 15 rep range, but this is enough to achieve hypertrophy, as I just have. New York strip for dinner tonight, guys. New York strip. If you smell what the Nitro gang is cooking.
So fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to.